In today's video, we will show you how to create a freeze frame effect. If you're interested, keep watching. First, let's open VPE and click Create Now to create a new project. Select any material and click Add to enter the editing interface. Drag the playhead to find an appropriate time point. Then use Split to cut the material here. Delete the second half of the material here, and then select the first part. Find Freeze to add a freeze frame. Next, find Copy and select Move to PIP to move the image to the lower track. Adjust the position of the track so that the two images overlap. Return to the main interface. Find Effect. First, add Gaussian Blur. Adjust its duration. Then add a border. Select Target and apply it to the material on the PIP track. Return to the PI page. Set a keyframe at the start of the image. Move the playhead forward, then rotate and shrink the image. Click Add PIP to add a white image to the track. Use two fingers to zoom in and enlarge the white image to fill the screen, placing it below the video and image. Set 3 keyframes. And adjust the opacity on both sides to 0. This is how you create the freeze frame effect. Now that you've learned this effect, download VideoProc Editor and give it a try.